For iron carbon diagram, please remember some temperature points, and that temperature points are 725 degrees Celsius, 910 degrees Celsius, 1150 degrees Celsius, 1395 degrees Celsius, 1495 degrees Celsius, and 1535 degrees Celsius. All these temperature points are divisible by 5. This is a trick. And another trick is 3 birds. You have to remember 3 birds, and that birds are such type of birds you have been drawn in your childhood. So now we will draw iron carbon diagram. To draw iron carbon diagram, first of all draw a horizontal line. Now draw a vertical line on the left side. You have to draw a vertical line on the right side too. Vertical line is temperature axis and horizontal line is weight percentage of carbon, or it is simply called composition axis. Now we will start with the beak of bird, as you have to remember 3 birds. So first we have to draw a beak. This beak will be something like that. Draw another beak, and this beak will be something like that. Now draw a horizontal line from this point. Draw another horizontal line. Now we will draw our first bird. Draw second bird from this point. Now we will draw our third bird, but this bird will be inverted. Start from this point to this point. Now draw another small curve. Now we will write temperatures. This line is 725 degrees Celsius. This is 1150 degrees Celsius. This point is 910 degrees Celsius. This is 1395 degrees Celsius. This one is 1535 degrees Celsius. This point is 1495 degrees Celsius. 1495 degrees Celsius. This is alpha ferrite. This is gamma austenite. This is delta ferrite. This is liquid. This zone is called as perlite. Perlite is a phase mixture, and it is a phase mixture of alpha and iron carbide. This zone is lydiburite, and this is also a phase mixture of gamma austenite and iron carbide. This is messy zone of gamma plus liquid. This zone also a messy zone of liquid plus iron carbide. This zone is delta plus liquid. This is delta plus gamma. This is alpha plus gamma. Now we will write weight percentage of carbon. This point is 0.02% of carbon. This is 0.8% of carbon. This is 2.1% of carbon. This one is 4.31% of carbon. and there is 6.67% of carbon. This is eutectic point. This is eutectic point. This point is peritectic point. And this point is eutectoid point. In the iron carbon diagram, there are two types of material. The first one is steel and the second one is cast iron. This zone is steel, up to 2.1% of carbon. This is called as steel, and after that it is called as cast iron. There are two sections in steel and two sections in cast iron too, and these sections are called as hyper and hypo. Hyper means more, hypo means less. Simply, hypo means less, hyper means more. From eutectoid point to leftward, it is called as hypo eutectoid steel. And from this point to 2.1, it is called as hyper eutectoid steel. Hyper eutectoid steel. Now I think you have to remember the word eutectoid point, so you will easily remember this point is called eutectoid point. Now from 2.1 to 4.31, this is called as hypoeutectic cast iron. Hypoeutectic cast iron. And from 4.31 to 6.67%, it is called as hypereutectic cast iron. Hypereutectic cast iron. As their name is eutectic, so you can easily remember this point is eutectic point. I am saying that please first remember these point, so you can easily remember this point is eutectic point and this point is eutectoid point. The meaning of eutectic is nice melting. The solid will direct convert into liquid. This point is peritectic, so there is a trick. You can easily remember that eutectic points are at the upper part of iron carbon diagram, eutectoid point at the lower part of iron carbon diagram. The crystalline structure of alpha is BCC because it is at the base of iron carbon diagram. Then it will be converted into FCC, then again FCC convert into BCC. So crystalline structure of gamma is FCC and crystalline structure of delta is BCC. The crystal structure of iron carbide, that is cementite, is orthorhombic. Alpha, delta, gamma and cementite is a pure phase of iron, whereas ladybite and pearlite is a phase mixture. Now there arises a question, what is pure phase and what is phase mixture? I have already made a detailed video on phase mixture and pure phase, so please see that video. I will provide the link in the description box or in the card. Thank you.